Today we're going to look at the dormakaba Bluesky app and how to use it to unlock your door. Your app should look like what I've got here on my screen, dormakaba Bluesky. It's available in the App Store or the Google Play Store. I'm just going to click on the app to open it up. It comes right up. If you don't have any keys sent to you yet by the property, it's going to say no valid keys here until they send you one. You can hit the refresh button in the top right hand corner to see if there are any extra keys being sent to you. We have our big picture of our key in the middle. Right underneath it we have show authorized access. If I click on show authorized access and enter my password, it shows me that this is valid for unit 102, tells me what my expiration date is and what additional doors I can get into. We'll go back to the home screen. Now to use this to unlock a door, I'm simply going to tap the key. It's going to start a 10-second timer. I'm going to hold my phone up to the lock just like I would a fob, and it unlocks the door for me. That's all there is to it. Now if I try to use this on the wrong lock, instead of getting that successful message on the screen, it would give me the failed message here. That just means I tried to use it on the wrong lock or it didn't read for some reason. I can click on try again, take it to the correct lock, and we get our successful unlock just like we're supposed to. That's how you use the app to unlock the door. Thank you.